Alright, we're out of sheets again. LKT for LKT's place. We're headed to New York City today via train. We're going to catch the metro down at Vienna and head over to Union Station. From Union Station, we'll take the train into New York. Let's get right to it. Alright, so here we're at Vienna at the train station. We're gonna catch the metro from here and go to Union Station to catch the Amtrak to New York City. Alright, I gotta get the metro card to get on the metro train first. Alright, we're gonna head on into Union Station now. So we made it to Union Station. This is where we catch the Amtrak. A little bit noisy, so trains coming and trains going all day long. I always kind of like these doors going into Union Station. It's kind of cool. Guess you could have took the escalator up too, but
thank you.
And here we are in Union Station for the next 3 hours. Wait on the Amtrak. See if we can go make a press penny at the press penny machine. I finally remembered to bring my pennies and my quarters. Alright, gonna make a press penny. See if Jennifer remembers how to make this. She's looking at it. Put the quarters in, you put the penny in. Now turn the wheel. And there we go. We got our press penny at Union Station. See if we got to turn the right way. There we go. All right. I've seen it lots of times come down here. Just forgot my quarters and pennies. All right, we're gonna head upstairs to the trains. So this is the main entry point to Union Station in Washington, D.C. I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see. I know I showed this to you before, but we're going to show it to you again. It's pretty massive. Look at that. And like I said, nobody's here today because they got an IndyCar event in downtown DC. And unless you're traveling or going to an IndyCar event, you sure ain't going to the museums. But we'll go outside and I'll get you a view from outside the station here. Like I said, I only got 3 hours to kill. We just looked at the about getting an earlier train, and they can't get one, so we're stuck with a midday train. Just massive walkways and morning. Right over there is the Capitol building. It's where they're having the IndyCar race. And let's walk across here because I know they got the fountain fixed. So this fountain here hasn't ran in years, and they finally got it back up and running. And it's the first time I've seen it run, so I thought I'd come out here. And look, the water's clear. So it's a pretty cool fountain right outside of Union Station here in DC. And like from here, on a normal day, you can just walk right down straight to the Capitol. It's like 2 blocks away. Right there. And the National Mall will be on your right. But like I said, there's hardly anybody here because of the IndyCar race. Unless you had a ticket. Unless you're traveling like me. But 8:30 in the morning. This place is empty. Alright, so like I said, we have a 3-hour wait for the Amtrak. It says it's on time. Just check that out. So we'll go and sit and wait for the Amtrak. Alright, sitting here at Union Station, waiting to leave.
They look crazy in that pack. They look crazy in the pictures.
And here we're departing right on time. Next up, New York City. Behind us is Times Square. Jennifer's blocking a little bit. There we go. You're good. You're good. Times Square, right where they dropped the ball at. And this is the ball that they used in 2007. It was only used one time. It was the first LED ball. That was just for $1 million. That's all I need. $1 million. Yours. That's all I need is $1 million.
You didn't sign it though.
That's all right. Then you put it in the slot.
There's one right behind you. You guys can close your wish in the onion.
There it goes.
Is that yours floating around?
Oh yeah. And this is how the ball for New Year's Eve looks from the inside.
Would you like to go see the inside of this one? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just go right this way.
This is the outside of the ball that they just dropped in 2026. 2025 was the last year. Okay. Yeah. Well, New Year's Day 2026. Right here is the crystals. You can buy them.
Well, these are the actual crystals that come off the wall every year.
Yep.
So these are the crystals from off the 2025 ball.
2025 ball.
Yeah, so we switch them out every year, but due to us being open only roughly 6 months, this is the actual crystals for the first time being able to be out for the public to be able to purchase.
Oh yeah.
Also, if you look closely in the back, you have the actual year that it came off the ball.
What's the year on it?
2025.
All right, there it is. It's got 2026, but it's pretty soon to be putting 2027 up there in a couple more months. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, because I feel like that guy in the picture right there. But these are some pictures from our evening, the first evening in New York City. That's New Year's ball right there. And that's what happens to your bike when you leave it in New York City. And there's your local hot dog sausage guy. Get your corn dogs. And you collect those bottles and take them right on down the avenue, and Happy New Year.